Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Neck Racket classes. And today I'm going to explain the most important chapter about the networking. So here we discuss about the networking devices, and at the last of this tutorial we will discuss also what kind of questions will come in asked in the examination in the NetJRF and the GATE. So let's begin the class with the introduction. My name is Komal and I am verified educator on Unacademy, so you can follow me, join there. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है तो वहाँ पे जाके जल्दी से ज्वाइन कर लेना. So we move further about the network devices. So in the series of the network devices, first, what is the network devices of? So basically, as we know, the network devices are the component that are used to connect the different kinds of the computer and the different kinds of the electronic devices together. So after in the connecting the computers, we can easily share the file or resources from the different of the internet and other files also. And the basic goal of the networking devices to reuse the electronic devices and the components of the networks. So let's begin. Here in this lesson, we are talk about different networking devices such as router, hub, switches, bridge, gateway, and the network interface card. After explaining all these terms, uh, we will also create the differences in between these kinds of the network devices. So let's begin the class. So first one is router. Basically, router. What is the router? So router basically creates a route path between the different kinds of the addresses, and it works on the network layer. In a computer, there are so many network layer are possible, and the router it is a network device which is responsible for routing traffic from one to another network, and these two networks could be a private company network to a public network, and it you can think of router as a traffic police which direct different network traffic to different directions. Okay, so next one is your in this series hub. So first, the right hub, the main purpose of creating the hub, basically the network hub is a network device which is used to connect multiple network hosts. In a computer, we always transfer files from one computer to another computer, so we must create hub to create the network transfers between the multiple hosts as well, and the network hub is used for that purpose. Basically, the main purpose of the network hub used to do data transfer, and this data transfer into one computer to the another computer, and when the host send a data packet to the network, it copies the data to all its ports connected to, and it works on the basis of the physical layer. Okay, and while the router is work on the network layer, hence the connecting network devices physically together. Okay, जितनी भी physical devices होंगी उनको connect करने के लिए आपको hub को create करना पड़ेगा. Basically जो ये यहाँ पे diagram से देखेगा, one port to another port, another port to another port, so it carries all the data transfer responsibilities as well. Now this is next in this series is the switch. So basically, switch is the intelligent device, while the hub it create just the data transfer, the forwarding the packet. But in switch, it filters and forwarding the packet. Okay, so in a network, in a switch, also work at the layer of the LAN, and it linkage point to the Ethernet network, but hub only the transfer the data. Okay, now the bridge. So basically, I explain it with the example first. If the router connects two different types of the network, then bridge connect two sub networks as the part of the same network. Okay, and you can think of two different labs or two different floors connected by the bridge. Here by the example you can easily see that here is the different kind of the computer we have, and there is a another series of the computer we have. If we want to connect these kind of the computer, so we use the bridge, and it builds the connection with the other bridge and the uh, another networks also with using the same protocol. Okay, and it is a model. It operates on the data link layer, while the hub is on the physical layer and the router one is on the network. Okay, network layer. Now the gateways. So basically the gateways is also a device which is used to connect multiple networks. If we want to connect some multiple networks in our computer network, so it will be use the gateways, and the basic gateway is a network point that acts as an entrance to another network, and it allows the computer program either on the same computer on the different computer to share information the network through protocols. But in the router, it sends the address of the that part. Suppose there is the internet, and we want to share all the files from the branch office to is corporate headquarters, and headquarters to branch office sites. So we will use gateways. Okay. And now the network interface card. The basically network interface card is also known as the NIC in the short, and basically the NIC hardware devices that connect to computer with the network. And the NIC, basically the use of the NIC is responsible for developing a physical connection between the network and the computer. Okay, so it also allows the connect to the network either by using cable and the wireless. So thank you so much for being here. Have a nice day. And if you not follow me my channel, so go on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can further uh, receive all the notification from my channels. Thank you so much for being here. Have a nice day.